All right, we're going to go with our lesson. We're going to kind of tie it back with our distributive property. So the area of Brianna's rectangular garden, so she has a rectangular garden here. It says the area in square feet, because when we're finding area, we're figuring out how many squares there are in there. So in square feet can be found by using this expression. So her area can be found by using that. We're going to use the distributive property to write an equivalent expression for the area of Brianna's garden. So here's what we're going to do. Remember this distributive property when we have the circles and the arrows? So if we circle the number in front of the parentheses, that's 6, and we distribute it to the 2x, that means 6 times 2x. So that is 6 times 2x plus, we're going to keep that plus, so we had that first. And then we're going to distribute that 6 to the 5y. 6 times 5y. Anytime you're multiplying 6 times 5 times y, you can multiply them. 6 times 5 is going to be 30, and then have that y. So we have 6 times 5, 6 times 5, y. Now, another way, that is one way you can write it. Or another way, we can make it even simpler for us. 6 times 2x is going to be, 6 times 2 is going to be 12. And we're going to keep that x. So 12 times x, 12x. Keep that plus. 6 times 5y, 6 times 5 is 30. Keep that y. So we can write an equivalent expression of 12x plus 30y. So you can either do it this way, or you can write the other way, the first one. I feel like it is easier when we go to our next step down here to use this expression. Now, we're going to use our equivalent expression. So we're going to use this, what we used, to find the area of her garden in square feet if x equals 3 and y equals 4. So all I'm going to do, if you want, you can type it down. We'll have 12x, or 12 times x plus 30y, or 30 times y. So that first part means 12 times x, or in this case, x is going to be 3. So 12 times 3 plus 30 times y, and y is 4, so 30 times 4. Remember our order of operations, we must do the parentheses, well, we don't have parentheses right now, but we must do multiplication before we can add. So we are going to do 12 times 3. 12 times 3, let's see, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 1 is 3. So 12 times 3 is 36, plus, 30 times 4. 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 3 is 12, so we have 120. Now when we add 36 plus 120, 6 plus 0 is 6, 3 plus 2 is 5, 1 plus 0 is 1. You get 156. So our answer is going to be 156, and that is going to be square feet. Square feet. Square feet. And that is going to be it for our lesson. Remember, watch this video as many times as you want to see what we were doing and how I went through everything. So this was our first step. Then our second step, we substituted it in. Then we solved some of it, and then we added it. So that's going to be our lesson. Great job.